And in my ancestors will be Ugolu, the number one man for my Umunna, right? I have ancestors even ahead of him, obviously, right? Because he's 600 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Any idea your ancestry. Mana ọbụghị ya bụ ife mbịa ukwu now. Mana onwelo no ukwu ka na-agba afọ. You need in my ancestors at least 6 generations, I guess. Maybe at least 10 generations. Maka igubalitni your sense ima. Ima godu sense ima ka nku guy. Sense mo ama godu. Mana opugo nisi guy. You know what I'm saying? Sense ima ka nku. So you need in my ancestors at least maybe 10 generations. And me, I know so I go do better. And I cannot reach Kuwait, don't even come. Turns out I have ancestry in Oka because the man now will be Owugolu, Onwoka, Eriobo, Ihu Obute, Ebefasi, go a place of Ndenkanozo, Smiths, right? That's Smiths. What is that? What Smiths again? Iron Smiths. What the fuck are Iron Smiths? Blacksmiths. Yeah, blacksmiths. Black, right? So Yembi Igbo Isalachi on Isalachi, yeah. Isalachi, the reason Igbo Jekwu Isalachi. Ada say Ototuama. Ototuama is less useful. Or less power. Obviously you can extend someone good vibes, right? So we can't say no delo. You can but we say I can't see with on case and you can go with on. So if you still extend person good vibes. By the way, my shirt is from 48 standard. Mana, the primary Igbo morning greeting is Isalachi. Because Igbo Otana, the number one thing ni gomo ablo echwaja. Obole echwaja. The number one thing ni gomo bu ego for toto. That communion with Mogi, ego for toto, more big off, like, you know what I'm saying, that communion. And no, we say you know Congo for your Congo they kill zebra for your Chi, you know what I'm saying? Or some wild Kenyan buffalo way they rare. So Isaluchi, according to Sloan Angelo blog, right? She said it's something. I think she said it's something about. It's like washing of a new day, right? Isalu a new day. So it is like you're making affirmations and declarations. It's why every day is a good day for an Ogomo, because in the morning you program your day. So you program your day. Imagine you saw in the dream, you saw a bad event that is going to happen, right? The spiritual governs the physical, and you saw something, and you take an egg and you carry it away. You know what I'm saying? You've reprogrammed something, you've reprogrammed an event that shouldn't even have happened at all if something was not already wrong, but you've still reprogrammed an event that was going to happen. That's the importance of the Igbo greeting, that is a Salachi. You know what I'm saying? It's not Ototuama. Yeah. You can even say Ototuama, a Salachi. Or maybe use Ototuama as the end greeting, right? By the way, follow me and anticipate new music. I won't go cook another song with ancestral demons they use possess people. So if you want to become an SNY like my nigga P, or if you want to become possessed, yeah, stay tuned. And while you are staying tuned, don't stop streaming Holy A's Music. Holy A's Music serves you as a tool to help you remember your dreams when you stream it all night. You know what I'm saying? Just put it on repeat and stream it till morning, and it increases your chances of remembering your dreams. Maybe I'm lucky that I've not gotten negative feedback I mean, maybe there are people that who have tried it and they, you know what I'm saying. But people who have given me feedback are people who tried it and it worked, and they started seeing their dreams, including people that have not dreamt for years. Right? It's crazy, or it's not. So it can also serve as a meditation tool, right? In the shower, use it to meditate, and it can also serve as an Igbo tutorial. Yeah. That's it. He's coming back from the market. Yeah, biology.